Good morning, students of Standard 10. Today, a social miss will be highlighting the areas which is more important and how to score full marks. I am happy that most of students have taken the advice of your Tamil teacher, which is available in our school YouTube channel. Make use of the opportunity given to you.
Good morning, students. I am Vijaya, 10th Standard Social Science teacher of Kamaraj Matriculation Higher Secondary School. As per the advice given by our some office bearers of Sangam, our beloved correspondent and principal, I am going to give some important tips about your board exam. First one is history map. In this, world map and India map. It is coming under paragraph question. Students, see here map First World War, page number 3. There are two warring camps, Triple Entente and Triple Alliance. The Triple Entente countries are Britain, France and Russia. Britain is here, Great Britain, and France is next to that Germany. Germany and France all are near. So France is here and Russia is the yellow part. So this is first one, Triple Entente. And Triple Alliance, that are three parts, German, Italy and Austria-Hungary. Germany is next to France. And Italy is just like a tail. And here is Italy and Austria-Hungary is the pink part. So three places, Italy, Austria-Hungary and Germany. So two warring camps are there. And the next part is Second World War. The Second World War, page number 37. 37 also the places are given. What are the places? Belgium also there. France and Great Britain, United Kingdom. And another one is important place is Greece. Greece is next to Italy. Greece is here. And this one, San Francisco. In the North America, it is San Francisco. Next to that, Hawaii Island. And in that right side of the map, it is Japan. Near Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki will come. Hiroshima and Nagasaki is bomb blast countries. So that is very important. Hiroshima, Nagasaki, Japan, San Francisco, Hawaii Islands, Great Britain or United Kingdom, and France, Italy, Greece, and Austria-Hungary, Germany. These are very important places. Already it is asked again and again. So please prepare that. Students, now history, India map. The centers of the Great Rebellion of 1857. This is also an important map. The important places are Delhi, Meerut, Bareilly, Agra, Gwalior, Lucknow, Kanpur, Allahabad, Jhansi, Benares and Barakpur. All these places are very important. So go through it clearly. Understood? Now the next India map is in page number volume 1, 49. Page number 49. It is Indian National Movement, that is Freedom Struggle Movement. In that, first place is Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. That place is in Amritsar. The year is 1919. The year is 1919. The other all places, Delhi, Bareilly, Meerut, all the other places are coming before that. So it is already we have learned. And another important place is Sabarmati Ashram. It is very important because the Dandi marches start from that place only. It is Ahmedabad. You should know the difference between Ahmedabad and Allahabad. Ahmedabad is Sabarmati Ashram near that, and Allahabad is near Lucknow. It is in Uttar Pradesh and it is in Maharashtra. Okay, clear? Okay, clear, students? Now, Calcutta, Orissa, The important place is Vedaranyam. It is in Tamil Nadu, South India. Madras and Vedaranyam are important places. So, history, 5 marks. The history map, India map is also very important. So, 2 maps are there. India, great centers of our revolt and freedom movement, Indian national movement. This is one part of compulsory question. Clear, students? Okay. Next one is 5 marks important question is timeline. Timeline is all the timelines are given in volume 2 page number 83. Volume 2 page number 83. All the timelines are there. In that one question had come before 1915. 1885 to 1915 it has asked already for one exam. So in that don't worry about that. In 1882 the formation of Triple Alliance. Make a note of that. In 1882 formation of Triple Alliance and 1899 Peace Conference in Hague and First Balkan War in 1912 and Treaty of Bucharest or end of Second World War in 1913 and already we have learned 1914 is beginning of the First World War and 1915 is Treaty of London. All these things are there in volume 1 page number 3 to 6. Go through that, you can see the incidents there. And after 1910 to 1950, it is already given in page number 83. Don't worry about that. All the things are incidents. Everything is there in page number 83. Go through it. You can easily answer it. If it is asked before 1950, I am given that incidents. Go through in this incidents. Okay, students. And 5 marks. It is important. Timeline. Go through it. Learn thoroughly and attend the questions clearly. Thank you, students. This is history part over. Students, this is next part, geography map. Geography map is for 8 marks. A part and B part. Either A part you must attend or B part you must attend. Now, page number 86 of volume 1, first map. In that, first, whenever you are taking the map, you should draw north, south, west, east. And from the top is Mount Karakoram or Mount K2 and Ladakh range. And next one is mountain soil, Kashmir mountain. So this is mountain, forest, mountain soil, everything is here. Mountain forest, mountain soil, Mount Karakoram, Godwin Austen, Ladakh range, Zanskar range, everything is here. And next part is Rajasthan, Thar desert. Thar desert, here Aravalli range, Thar desert. And next one is plateaus. So 4 plateaus are there. Malwa plateau, Deccan plateau, Chota Nagpur plateau. In here it will come Peninsula plateau. Malwa, Deccan, Chota, Peninsula. 4 plateaus. 1 plateau will be coming for your exam. So very clear about that. Next is Ghats. Western Ghat, Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats in the west part and Eastern Ghats in the east part. Both the Ghats join together and meet together in Nilgiris. And next one is coastal plain. Western coastal plain and Eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain, Eastern coastal plain, and in the Western coastal plain, Konkan coast, Malabar coast. Westile Konkan coast, Malabar coast. In the east, Northern Circus and Coromandel coast. Northern Circus and Coromandel coast. In the west, Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Island is there. In the east, Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Island is there. Clear, students? Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar. Western coastal plain, Eastern coastal plain. Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Konkan Coast, Malabar Coast, Northern Circus and Coromandel Coast. 4 plateaus, Deccan Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Peninsula Plateau. And Thar Desert, Aravalli Range. Mountain soil, here it is desert soil. Thar Desert, desert soil. And Punjab, Haryana, it is alluvial soil. Punjab, Haryana, alluvial soil. Another important thing is wheat growing area. Punjab and Haryana is wheat growing area. One important place for wheat growing area is Punjab and Haryana. Thar Desert, desert soil. And the top Karakoram range and all the places, this is mountain soil. And this is alluvial soil. And in Karnataka it is coffee growing area. It is laterite soil. Karnataka it is laterite soil. And Tamil Nadu it is red soil. So soil is red soil. Red soil is Tamil Nadu. Laterite soil in Karnataka, coffee growing area. And desert soil in Thar Desert. And alluvial soil in Punjab and Haryana. Mountain soil is in top mountain Kashmir or mountain forest. Mountain soil is Karakoram range. So the soil kind is the, and black soil, it is in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is cotton growing area. Important place for cotton growing area is Maharashtra. So black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, alluvial soil and mountain soil. Now this is wheat growing area. Growing areas. Wheat growing area is Punjab and Haryana. Uttar Pradesh is sugarcane growing area. Sugarcane growing area is Uttar Pradesh. Important place, tea growing area is Assam. Tea growing area is Assam. And coffee growing area is Karnataka. And cotton growing area is Maharashtra. And rice growing area is Tamil Nadu. So rice, coffee, cotton, tea, wheat. So all the sugarcane is Uttar Pradesh. So all these are growing areas. And alluvial soil, desert soil, mountain soil and black soil, laterite soil, red soil. Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar. And another one thing, this line is in Sri Lanka, near Sri Lanka and last of India. The border, Park Strait is a strait. One line is there near Sri Lanka. This strait, Park Strait separates India and Sri Lanka. So this is Park Strait. In the middle it is Gulf of Mannar. Middle, Gulf of Mannar, Park Strait. The line is Park Strait, Gulf of Mannar. Don't come here, it is Indian Ocean. In the middle part only Gulf of Mannar. So Gulf of Mannar, Park Strait. In this one will be coming for the exam. Gulf of Mannar, Park Strait. And another thing, this is here, it is the bay is there, one gulf is there. This is Gulf of Comfort. The Gulf of Comfort and Ran of Comfort. Gulf of Comfort, Ran of Comfort, this place. And this place is Gulf of Kutch. Gulf of Kutch. This place is Ran of Kutch. Gulf of Kutch, Ran of Kutch, Ran of Comfort, Gulf of Comfort. Clear students? 4 Gulf and places are there. Gulf of Kutch, Ran of Kutch, Ran of Comfort and Gulf of Comfort. And this is Gulf of Mannar, Park Strait. So clear students, these all things. And one growing area will be asking, one soil will be asking, one plateau will be coming, and one desert, Thar Desert, and one range, Aravalli Range, Ladakh Range, and here it is Kailash Range. Out of India, it is in Nepal, situated that in Nepal, it is Kailash Range. And Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar, clear. And another one thing is rivers. Rivers we will be seeing in the next map. It is coming in volume 1, page number 94. Indus River. Here the Indus River is coming from this side to this Indus River. And important rivers are this: Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra. Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, And this one in Gujarat and Maharashtra, Narmada and Tapti. Narmada, Tapti, Indus, Yamuna, Ganga, Brahmaputra. Here in Orissa, Mahanadi. And near Andhra, Krishna river and Godavari is coming in this place. Krishna and that Tamil Nadu, Kaveri. And Andhra, Krishna. Above that, Godavari and Mahanadi, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Yamuna and Indus. All these are very important rivers. Go through it, students. And next map is volume 1. Southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. So, southwest monsoon, the arrow marks, see the arrow marks? It is going upwards. The arrow marks are going upwards. Southwest monsoon. And northeast monsoon, the arrow marks are coming downwards. From north it is coming downwards and from south it is going upwards. So you should know the difference between southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. Southwest monsoon, south to north, and northeast monsoon, north to south. The next map in page number 103, natural vegetation is there. So all these are mountains. It is important, but all these are mountain places. Mountain places. So that vegetation, see that color, according to the color it varies. According to these colors it varies. Alpine forest is this color. Alpine forest, this color is the alpine forest, and a tropical evergreen forest. So 2 or 3 places will be coming from this map. Forest, alpine forest, you go through it, the color, according to the color it varies. Next map is Biosphere Reserves of India, page number 107. Page number 107. Some biosphere, Panna, it is very important. Always it is asking. Panna Biosphere Reserve and Agastya Malai, it is in Kerala. Agastya Malai, Panna is always it is asked. Panna, Agastya Malai. And Sundarbans, very important, it is in West Bengal. The West Bengal border is here, not go back about that. It is Bangladesh. So India border is here. So Sundarban forest and West Bengal is here. So mangrove forest, Sundarbans all are coming in this place. So Agastya Malai Reserve and Panna Malai Reserve and Sundarban. It is very important places, and this is Ran of Kutch. Already we have learned. And in page number 106, it is national park. National parks are very important parks are national parks. In Tamil Nadu some parks are there. Wild sanctuary and marine park, bird sanctuary. Bird sanctuary is Vedantangal. Vedantangal bird sanctuary is important. So some 1 or 2 places you mark and learn that biosphere and the national parks. 1 or 2 places you mark and learn. And next one is major soil groups. Already I have told: alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, laterite soil, forest or mountain soil, desert soil, saline and marshy. Saline soil is this one, saline soil, this place. Marshy soil is here in Sundarbans, it is marshy soil. And other soils are alluvial soil is here, Punjab, wheat, Punjab and Haryana. Mountain soil is here only. Thar soil, desert soil is here, it is Thar desert. And black soil is here in Maharashtra. Laterite soil is here in Karnataka. And forest and mountain soil is on the top. Desert soil is here. So already we have learned all these soils. And the next one is River Valley Project. Bakranangal. Bakranangal Mettur is in Tamil Nadu. Mettur is Tamil Nadu. Periyar it is Idiki, border of Kerala. And Damodar is near Patna. Damodar, it is very important. Hirakud, it is also very important. Bakranangal is in Delhi. So Bakranangal, Damodar, Hirakud, Mettur, Periyar, go through it. From this, surely one will be coming from these places. And the next one is growing areas. Coffee, already I have told. Coffee, Karnataka, and tea, Assam, cotton, Maharashtra or Bombay or Maharashtra, and wheat, Punjab and Haryana, and iron and steel. Iron and steel is here. Barakpur or Tamil Nadu, Salem. Barakpur or Salem, Jamshedpur, all the places are coming in this iron and steel industries here. Now, next one is next map is electronic city. Very important one is Chennai or Bangalore. That is enough. Chennai is electronic city or Bangalore. These two places are enough for you. Next one is roadways, Kashmir, Kanyakumari to Kashmir. One straight national highway. This is very important. And other places, roadways, small roads are there. The main thing is NH7, National Highway. This is very important one. And the next is railways. Railways from Chennai to Mumbai. This is the road, railway. This one place, here you mark one place, and Chennai till Mumbai. And just like that, other places also. If it is asked in Delhi, you should mark like this: Chennai, Mumbai. Then here it is Agra and Delhi. So this way you mark the railways. And four important railways. Southern Railway is Chennai, Northern Railway, Delhi headquarters, and Eastern Railway, Kolkata, and Central Railway, Mumbai. Four. The one is Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, and Kolkata. And next one is airways. Airways in the international airport is, if it is asked international airport, Chennai. Chennai is international airport, domestic airport, everything is there. So airport is very important. Chennai is enough for you. And metropolitan cities, if it is asked, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, the airports are, international airports are there. And next one is sea routes. Sea routes the same way. Harbour also. Major harbour, Chennai. In the international airports, harbour is in Chennai. It is enough. Chennai is enough for you. So airways, railways, seaways, and all these places, Chennai is very important. If it is three places are asked, Chennai, 1, 2, 3, you should mark the places. In a legend, you should write Chennai for airport. Just like this one, train and sea. For all this, you should mark the legend. And jute growing area is West Bengal. So, all the parts are covered. Thank you, students. For map, these are the important places. Thank you.